Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdakam Chimthanawala. Today I would like to tell you a case of a remedy, a very rare remedy but a very commonly prescribed in cases of these type of symptoms. First, here the case. What was the case? This was a case of sciatica. The patient had severe pain in the left side of his leg, going down to the lower, the whole from the hip to the lower limb, and he had severe pain in the hips also, especially during wet weather. He used to tell me that whenever there is rains, and suddenly when the rains goes over, all the area becomes totally wet and damp, then the pain in the hips increases. Now, whenever the patient is telling you that wet weather increases the pain, you must remember 2-3 drugs. The first drug, that is Cilicia, the second drug, that is Phytolacca, and the third drug, that is Rustox, and of course the fourth drug which I am going to tell you. He had pain extending to the whole foot. So sciatica pain 1, he had pain in the hips, and pain in the hips aggravated by the wet weather, and it extended to the whole of the legs. Then I asked him any other modalities. He said, sir, the pain is too much, and when I come home in the evening after work also the pain increases. So evening pain also was important. And he had a fear, sir, something will happen to me, something is going to happen. He had that constant fear because he was not getting relief with these complaints. And he had that nodule, arthritis nodule on the olecranon process of the elbow. These are the few symptoms. He came to me. He was already taking other medicine with other homeopath, but it was partially relieved. He got the symptom again, so he came to me. So the only symptom which I thought was important to prescribe was left-sided sciatica, left-sided pain in the hips, especially aggravated with wet weather, and the pain in the hip extending to the whole of the foot and whole of the leg, and the whole leg pain which was aggravated in the evening. And one symptom, the patient was continuously telling that he had fear as if something will happen, something sad will happen, कि कुछ तो भी ऐसी उदासी छाई जाती पेन की तरह कि मेरा पेन में क्या होगा, घर वालों को क्या होगा, what will happen to everybody, something sad will happen. Of course, whenever there is symptom of fear and something sad will happen, the first drug that you should think is calcarea. But calcarea does not have that classical pain in the hip and the left side sciatica with wet weather aggravation. Now what to do? And of course he had that nodule, arthritis nodule on the olecranon process of the elbow. Some of you might have already guessed the drug when you use that arthritis nodule on the olecranon process of the elbow. Now, if you have this symptom, then hepatitis symptom, a very, very important drug that comes to our repertory chart, that is Stilingina sylvatica. Stilingina is a very, very important drug used routinely by a lot of doctors in case of arthritis, in case of sciatica, especially in Stilingina. You must remember there is general enlargement of the tibia. This symptom is very important, and of course the arthritis nodositis of the olecranon process is a very important symptom of Stilingina. If you get this symptom, you must give Stilingina. You will get fantastic results. You will get magical results. Stilingina has a symptom that is fear as if something sad will happen. What happens? Okay, whenever we have this mental symptom, we basically go on to the polycrest because they are covered in lot of polycrest. So we forget these drugs which are very infrequently used. So if you have ever read Stilingina, again go and read. It has symptoms left-sided sciatica, and especially Stilingina is indicated in left sciatica, especially after gonorrhea or gonorrheal left-sided sciatica, a very important drug, Stilingina. And of course, pain in the hips extended to the whole foot, aggravation in the evening, fear something sad will happen, you will get only one drug in the repertory chart, and that is Stilingina. Stilingina, 202 doses to the patient, came after a month, 60 to 70% better. Again I repeated in the second month 1 dose, all symptoms gone. The patient was cured with this remedy. So very important remedy, frequently used by a lot of doctors who understand what is Stilingina. Today you go home and read Stilingina, you will get a lot of symptoms apart from these symptoms of Stilingina, but whatever symptoms I have told you, these are most important to prescribe Stilingina. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.